What is noun? Noun understand the name of person or thing. Kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, matter-as noun, and abstract noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun understand the name of persons. Subhash is the brilliant boy. Subhash proper noun. Common noun, the cow gives us milk. Cow common noun. Collective noun, student, army. Matter-as noun, the gold is the valuable metal. Matter-as noun, the gold. Abstract noun, it understand the emotional words. Words in the Gandhi's no more who they we have won the match. Words who they abstract noun. What is pronoun? Pronoun understand the instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school. He is going to the school. Rita sings a song. She is singing a song. Verb. What is verb? Verb understand the actions or working. He is playing. I am studying. He is swimming. I am going to the school. What is adverb? Adverb modifying to the verb's actions. He is walking slowly. He runs fast. Slowly fast is adverb. What is prepositions? Preposition understands the positions of verb. The fishes are swimming in the river. I am sitting on the chair. He is standing beside the lamppost. He is standing beside the lamppost. He is waiting in front of the red building. The birds are flying in the sky. Preposition. What is prepositions? Prepositions understand the positions of verb. What is conjunctions? Conjunctions understand the joining to the sentences. Rita sings and she is very sweet girl. And he is very good person but he is very angry. But, or, and conjunctions. What is interjections? Interjections understand the emotional words. Who they? We have won the match. Alls in the Gandhi's no more. Alls who they? Conjunctions. Interjections. Alls who they? Present indefinite tense. I go to the school. He eats rice. Present continuous tense. I am going to the school. He is returning in this place. Present perfect tense. I have gone to the school. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been going to the school. What is voice change? He writes a letter. A letter is written by him. Narrations. Rita said that I shall go to the birthday party. Rita informed that she will go to the birthday party.